Hello everyone and welcome to our Monday Minute. Today we're going to discuss the IPR or Interim Performance Reports that will be released in July for the Home Health Value-Based Purchasing expansion for 2023. The IPR will be the first official performance reports released for the 2023 VBP expansion. These IPR reports will include the achievement thresholds and benchmarks from 2022, which was established in the final rule last year as the baseline year for 2023. These are not to be confused with the pre-implementation reports that you have been receiving in IKEYS as a precursor to this implementation. The preliminary reports or PIPER that you have been receiving were based on 2019 benchmarks and thresholds because the 2022 information was not yet available. The 2022 achievement thresholds and benchmarks will be key to beginning to understand exactly where you stand when compared to all the other agencies in your cohort. These IPR reports that will be released in July, there will be a preliminary one released first. You will have 15 days from the date that it hits the system to ask for a recalculation if you feel that your numbers are incorrect. But you will need support for why you believe that your information is incorrect. There is information in the Value-Based Purchasing June newsletter with links to where you would submit that recalculation request. These IPR reports will be very similar to the pre-implementation reports that you have been reviewing. They will be found in the IKEYS system. They will have calculations comparing your agency to the other agencies in your cohort. They will have calculated outcome measure results. In addition, there will be an interim total performance score. Your total performance score is obviously the key component of calculating where you will stand in the end of all this. And they were very clear to ensure that you understood that this is truly preliminary and that your final total performance score will be based on your entire year of 2023 performance, and those reports will not be released until August of 2024. Also, please note that the information included in these IPR reports will be 12 rolling months. The OASIS data will be inclusive of the first 3 months of 2023 and 9 months of 2022, while at this point, the data for the claims-based measures and HH-CAHPS measures will be based 100% on the 12 months of 2022. They will be different from the pre-implementation reports you recently reviewed because of the fact, again, the achievement thresholds and benchmarks will now be the 2022 data, which will be the official or is the official baseline year. It is very important that you review these reports and understand exactly which components of the value-based purchasing model you may be struggling in so that you know where to focus in order to improve your overall outcome in the value-based purchasing model. You will need to be in the 51st percentile or higher in order to see a positive result in the payment calculation. So monitoring this on an ongoing basis, you will have individual outcome measure results and be able to see exactly where each of those elements stand within that 51st plus percentile calculation. Thank you so much for participating today. If you have any additional questions about the reports or value-based purchasing in general that HPS can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a fabulous week.